If water is leaking through the toilet flange into the ceiling below, stop using the toilet immediately and act to limit damage. Start by turning off the water supply at the shutoff valve behind the toilet and flush to empty the bowl and tank. Then disconnect the supply line and remove the toilet by unbolting the floor bolts and lifting it straight up to avoid smearing water. Use absorbent towels and a wet vacuum to remove pooled water from the floor and from the ceiling below if accessible. Then place a bucket under the leak and a tarp to protect flooring while you work. Inspect the flange for height and integrity. The flange should sit on top of the finished floor and provide a flat surface for a new wax or rubber ring. So if the flange is below floor level or cracked, you will need to replace it or use a flange repair ring. Replace the wax ring with a new one sized for your toilet outlet, or use a modern wax-free gasket for easier removal later, making sure to center it on the flange before lowering the toilet straight down. If the flange studs are corroded or the flange is loose, remove the old flange and either install a new flange bolted to the subfloor or use an adjustable flange with a repair spacer to achieve the correct height. After the leak source is fixed and the toilet reinstalled and tightened evenly, test by running water and checking for wobble and any sign of seepage before proceeding to ceiling repairs. Common mistakes include leaving the toilet in place and hoping the leak stops, which risks ongoing ceiling damage and mold growth. Remove the fixture and dry the area, then repair the flange and seal properly. Another frequent problem is installing the flange too low or using an old compressed wax ring which will not seal. Fix by bringing the flange to the proper height, or use a thicker ring or wax-free gasket, so the seal is not undercompressed. Homeowners sometimes patch the ceiling before confirming the leak is resolved, which traps moisture and leads to staining and rot. Only repair the ceiling after the plumbing is verified dry and leak-free, and consider using a drying fan and moisture meter to confirm before applying new joint compound and paint. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a space where we and our community discuss fixes like toilet, flange, leaks, share step-by-step experiences, and recommend approaches. We help contractors find nearby leads and customers while homeowners read real discussions and practical tips from other members.